In this video, I'm going to show you how I've managed to go from zero to earning over 6 figures in less than 12 months with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you some proof as well. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Liam James K, and I'm currently on a mission to become a millionaire before the age of 30. And I'm using this YouTube channel to document my progress, but also share some tips and value along the way. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on future content. But yeah, in this video, I'm going to explain how I've managed to go from zero to earning over 6 figures from affiliate marketing in less than 12 months. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote someone's product with your affiliate link. So you get a link, you promote that product. If someone signs up with your link, you earn a commission. So that's what it is. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that just over a year ago, I didn't even know what affiliate marketing was. I didn't even have a clue how much money you could earn from it. I started this journey, I said I wanted to become a millionaire. I didn't know how I was going to do it, and I was just trying out different ways to make money online. One of those ways was affiliate marketing, and little did I know, just over a year later, I would be earning 6 figures from affiliate marketing, and that's one of my main sources of income. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to explain kind of how I've done that. I'm going to show you some proof as well, proof of my earnings by logging into my PayPal account. But I just want to say, if I've managed to go from zero to earning over 6 figures with something which I didn't even know what it was over a year ago, it means that you can do the same. So you just need to take action and just make sure you're learning every single day, and that's what I've done over the last 12 months. But hopefully you're going to learn some stuff in this video today. But first of all, I'm going to jump onto my laptop. I'm going to show you some proof of earnings. So let's get into it. Right, so you're just on my computer now. I'm just going to go on dateandtime.com just so you can see that we're in 2018 and it's Friday the 2nd of November. So we've still got 2 months left of the year to go, but I'm just going to log into my PayPal account, show you how much I've earned for 2018. My computer's a little bit slow when I'm screen recording, but hopefully it shouldn't freeze or anything. So PayPal, there's my email address, I'm logging in. Proceed to account. And then I'm just going to go to activity up here, just so we can see how much I've earned in a lump sum. Go to charts and graphs. And then I'm going to change it to US dollars because the majority of my money that I earn is from US dollars. So, oh yeah, so that's the past 30 days I've earned over $21,000, but I've actually earned more, but that's how much has actually hit my PayPal account. But I'm just going to change this to the whole of 2018 just so you can see a lump sum and you can see that's over 6 figures that I've earned. So $106,698 that I've earned in 2018, and we've still got a bit of time to go. So that is absolutely crazy considering I was on zero from affiliate marketing this time last year. And just so you know, I've actually I've got more money coming in than this. As I said, I'm earning different currencies, but that's just clearer to show it like that. But I also have a lot of money still in some of my affiliate accounts that I've not withdrawn. I've got money, yeah, I've basically got other bits of money. I actually won the builderall affiliate competition where I earned over $32,000, which hasn't actually been sent out to me yet, which I'm waiting for. So all in all, I think by the end of the year, it's going to be closer to $200,000 that I'm earning from affiliate marketing. And also, I do spend some money on adverts, but not that much in the grand scheme of things. If you watch my previous YouTube videos, you'll know, or you're part of my team or my training, you'll know that the majority of my earnings are from free traffic methods. So just using social media and YouTube and things like that. But some of it has gone on to advertising, but even still, I still would have earned over 6 figures from affiliate marketing profit. So I just want to make that clear. So how have I managed to go from zero to over 6 figures in less than 12 months with affiliate marketing? The secret to it is, and the bit of value that I want to share with you today is, you need to promote membership-based products. So membership-based affiliate products. Now, There's so many things that you can promote when you're doing affiliate marketing. You could promote this glass and you could earn a commission every time you sold the glass. Like, you can sign up to Amazon affiliates and you can just sell random things and earn a commission every time you make a sale. You can sell high ticket products where you can sell like thousands of dollars worth of trainings and things like that, and you can earn like 50% commissions off that. And there is a lot of people making money in all of these different areas. But the thing I found most successful and the best way to leverage your time is with membership-based products. Now, if you watch my channel, you'll know that I'm all about passive income. I'm promoting this passive income. I'm telling you, I always want to try and earn as much passive income as possible. And I don't want anyone to get confused, because I'm not trying to earn passive income so I can go and sit on a beach. I'm earning passive income so I can get one stream of passive income coming in, and then I can start working on another stream, and then I can add those both together, and then another stream and another stream. And that's how I'm planning to get to this million, to become a millionaire before the age of 30, by getting multiple passive income streams. And one of those passive income streams is membership-based products. And they are the best way to leverage your time, honestly. Because if you think about it, if you're promoting a product and you just get commission like off the sale, the one-time fee. So you can promote ClickBank products. I've mentioned them on my channel before, and I've done videos about that. I've talked about Max Bounty products and Max Bounty offers, and you can make money from these offers, and I've made money from them as well, a lot of money as well. But the key to getting to 6 figures is using membership-based products. Because if you promote a product, so say you're selling this glass and you get, say this glass costs $100, just for the sake of this, $100, you promote that and you get 50% commission every time. Say you sell 10 of those glasses this month, you're gonna get 10 times 50, $500, which is great. And then next month, you put in the same amount of work, you sell 10 of these glasses, you're also going to earn $500, which is great. Next month, you do the same amount of work and you earn the same amount of money. So if you're selling products that aren't membership based and they're just one-time fees, you can earn good money from it and you can upscale it with traffic and things. But if you're putting the same amount of effort and time into promoting this product, you're never really going to grow. Your income isn't going to grow as quickly. But the real magic happens with membership-based products. So if you think about it this way, if you're promoting a membership-based product, you earn commission every single month that person stays signed up. So if you sell 10 accounts one month, you're going to earn a lump sum of money. And then if you do the exact same amount of work next month, you're going to earn the same amount of money plus all of the people that stayed signed up. So you're going to have 20 people signed up bringing in income. Then in month 3, you do the exact same amount of work, you only get 10 people signed up. That's 30 people that are paying you every single month. Obviously it drops off and people cancel and things like that. But on average, it starts to grow and compound. And then like me with builderall, by the end of the year, you've got over 500 people signed up and you're doing the same amount of work. So that's why I've managed to go from 0 to over 6 figures, because I'm leveraging my time by promoting membership-based products, because you only have to promote it once and those people stay signed up and it's a constant stream of income. Now I'm going to show you another product which I promote, just to show you, just to make it clear how this works and why it's so good. So I'm just going to see if I'm still logged into this. Oh yeah, I need to log in here. So if you watch my channel as well, you'll know that I promote something called Profit Accumulator. It doesn't matter what it is, it's a UK based thing, it's like a betting thing where people can sign up to it, it's membership based, and it gives you, you can make money from betting without risking your money. It's only based in the UK, but it doesn't matter what it is, it's a membership based product, that's all you need to know. So I created a YouTube video right back when I first started this, because I was using this service and I made a lot of money from it. So I thought, I'm going to share this with my subscribers, I'm going to tell people about it. So I created a YouTube video about it with my affiliate link underneath. Now I'm just going to go, so over the last 30 days I've earned £1,357 just from that one YouTube video with that link underneath. I've only ever promoted it that way. I was going to go to payment history here, just to show you how clear it is and why it's so important to do membership based product. So as you can see here, when I first started promoting this membership based product, I got £236, right? And then I've not done any more work the next month, but then next month I've got £351 because the people that originally signed up, a lot of them have stayed signed up in the next month, but then I've still got new people to sign up. And what it does, it just compounds. It compounds and compounds, and then you go all the way to the top, and like the last month I've earned over £1,155, and that is because it's compounding. So some of these original people that signed up in the first month have been paying every single month, and that is how you leverage your time. So you don't have to put any more time or any more effort into upscaling or putting more hours into it, because it's a membership based product. And that's why it works so well. So that's the piece of advice that I'm going to give you, and that's the secret to why I've gone from 0 to 6 figures. But another good kind of product to promote is, so another thing which I promote, I don't really promote that much, is called Udemy. It's a traffic source, it's solo ads where people can buy adverts basically. So I use it myself. I recommend it on one of my YouTube videos, and I've also recommended it to people who have signed up under me on builderall. But I've not earned a great deal from this. $2,500 I've earned from this since I started promoting it. So this isn't a membership based product, but it's still got the same concept, and this is another thing that I think you should focus on. Is if someone signs up and they purchase traffic, they purchase something from this website, I earn commission. But because they signed up with my link, it's got something which is called hard coded. So they're hard coded to me for life. So I earn 15% of any time they purchase something for life. So it's not recurring income, but every time they want to buy traffic, I'm going to get commissions from that. So I've got 174 people signed up, but I'm getting people signed up every single month. So that number's only ever going to grow. So like in a few months time or a year's time, I might have 500 people buying traffic from that, and they always stay signed up, and that is the key. So yeah, the tips that I'll give you if you want to get into affiliate marketing is promote membership based products that are low ticket, so they're not too expensive to get involved with, because actually people promote high ticket products where they're going to get like a $500 commission straight away. That's very hard to get someone to sign up, and obviously you can do that, and I'm not doubting that at all. But if you've got someone to sign up to something for a whole year or 2 years, you're going to earn more money than that $500 anyway, because you're getting the commissions every month. So you want to promote low ticket offers, you want to promote membership based product, and also it's really good if they've got a free trial on as well, because once you get them in and they're signed up, most people don't cancel because it comes out of their bank automatically. So that's the advice that I'll give you from getting from 0 to over 6 figures. And some other little bits of advice is the majority of my traffic is just from my personal brand. And if you watch my channel, didn't have a personal brand just over a year ago. I started this YouTube channel. You can go back to the start when I first started, see some of my earlier videos. Didn't have a clue what I was doing, but I've just put time and effort into putting out content on YouTube, putting out content on Facebook and on Instagram. And I think if you're starting out, you should focus on those 3 things. Just try and provide value, even if it's just motivation. If you go on my Instagram at the moment, that's starting to grow, and all I'm doing is providing motivation, and sharing tips. So if I learn something new, like I've learned that membership products are really good, I just share that with people like I'm doing in this video. And then you can then start to add in links when you recommend products, which is what I do with builderall and this traffic source and that profit accumulator and some of the other products that I promote. So that's the best way to do it. Provide value, focus on membership based products, and just start to build your personal brand. And yeah, that's the secret to it, and that's how I've managed to get to this level. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments box below. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.